As a new YouTuber, I make videos and get little to no views and little to no subscribers. What should I do? Starting a YouTube channel can be both an exciting and daunting endeavor. If you're not seeing the results you hoped for in terms of views and subscribers, don't get discouraged. Many successful YouTubers faced the same challenges in their early days. Here are some steps and strategies to consider. Content quality. Ensure your videos have clear audio, good lighting, and are edited well. The quality of the content is essential to retain viewers and get them to subscribe. Consistency is key. Upload consistently, whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even once a month. Regular uploads can help keep your audience engaged and improve your channel's algorithmic ranking. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make them engaging, but ensure they're not misleading, clickbait. SEO, search engine optimization. Keywords. Use relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Description. Write a comprehensive description, utilizing keywords and explaining the content of the video. Engage with comments. Engage with viewers who comment on your videos. This can foster a community feeling and encourage more interactions. Promote on social media. Share your videos on all your personal social media platforms and consider creating dedicated profiles/pages for your YouTube channel. Engaging with the community. Interact with other YouTubers in your niche. Leave genuine comments on their videos and collaborate when possible. This can introduce their audience to your content. Study analytics. YouTube Studio provides insights into viewer behavior, including watch time, audience demographics, and how viewers found your video. Understanding these can help you tailor your content. Ask for feedback. Reach out to friends, family, or other small YouTubers and ask for constructive feedback on your content. Patience. Growing a YouTube channel takes time. It's rare for channels to blow up overnight. Consistency, patience, and adaptability are essential. Monetization. If you're looking to make a career out of YouTube, remember that views and subscribers aren't the only metrics that matter. Engage with brand deals, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, etc. once you've built a small loyal audience. Adapting content. If you find that certain videos are more popular than others, consider focusing more on that content or finding ways to innovate within that space. Continuous learning. YouTube, like any platform, evolves. Stay updated with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and best practices. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops on content creation. Engage with your viewers. Polls, Q&A sessions, and responding to comments can make your audience feel valued and increase their loyalty to your channel. Remember, every YouTuber's journey is unique. Stay passionate about your content, keep learning and iterating, and over time, you'll find your audience.